Hello, sir. Afternoon. I'm Roger Pinigo, and today I'm showing my codes. The the game name is Playing Game, and here I'm showing my codes, which there's a there's a comment constants, and also I'll explain the G panel, which is very important sa for the game. And G panel is the drawing canvas. The action listener listens to the game timer, like for example fires every 16 ms, and key listener catches keyboard input. The imports bring in swing UI, graphics, events, and collection. And also here, the constants define the window size and speed, so you can tweak them in one place. The enum tracks which screen is currently shown. Like for example, run I'll run the code, and here showing that the output of my code. And here the comments, like belong to player in PX and PY is the player's position. Invincible counts down frames after getting hit, so you don't lose multiple lives at once. Key stores which keys are currently held down. Last shot prevents shooting too fast. And also here showing end score, wave 1 lives minimum is only 3. Each game is correct stored in small array. This is lightweight, no need for separate classes for bullets or stars. All stars, public static main string args. This is the G frame playing game. And also the playing game has also the timer, which 16 is 60 FPS timer start. And also here to show void update, star scroll, player movement, like the key event, ADWS are very important for the game, because these hotkeys are really needed when it comes to play a game. And canvas, which bullets, canvas, and also I used to put draw game over, like graphics 2D, setting colors, game data, which has a comment here, and also I put here end score list bullet, which has a bullets, enemies, bullets. Each game object is stored as a small, for example, int array. This is lightweight, no need for separate classes for bullets or stars. And also here the main public static void creates the window, adds the fast panel, sizes it con sizes it con centers it on screen, then show it. Request focus in window. Make sure keyboard events are received immediately. And also here public playing game, and here are the very important codes I put here. And also set canvas, size and dark background color, the class and its own keyword. Listener generates the star field, starts the game loop in every 16 milliseconds, which has a timers, this one. And void spam wave. Each wave adds more columns and rows of enemies. Higher waves also gives enemies more HP. Enemy positions are calculated so they spread evenly across the screen. And also here the update. It's okay. Update. Paint component, graphics, GO. Everything is redrawn from scratch. Every frame that is standard for game loops. Graphics 2.0 with anti-aliasing make shapes look smooth. And then void draw plane, the flip flag makes enemy planes point downward, same shape, mirrored vertically. Player points up, enemies point down. Void draw explosion. The explosion grows and ranges and fades out over 18 frames by reducing alpha each peak. And the last part here is the public void keepers. Simply sets keys to true or false. The update methods checks this array every frame, which allows smooth diagonal movement, multiple keys held at once. Then overall, allow every 16 milliseconds is timer flames, action performed, update, logic, every paint components draw. That loop is the entire game engine. And here's the output of my code. This right here is the example of my output. Wave cleared. There's a 3 lives wave, and that shows game over. Press enter space to play again. This one, the output.